Alright, what's up YouTube? Doing kind of an evening ride today. So I come out like in the evening like this, right at dusk, and then after it gets dark, because the critters come out around this time and after dark, and for some reason those shorts get way more attention and views than my SurRon shorts. I actually get a good amount of subscribers from those kind of shorts, so I like to go out and just try to get some footage of some animals. I think I came out a little bit too early. It's 8 o'clock. I thought it'd be dark by now, or getting close to it.
Hey guys, YouTube. Just a quick update on my store. Before I had the estimated delivery time for the 2023 SurRon Light VX and the Talaria Sting R as 8 weeks, but right now I just changed it to 30 or 40 days for both the SurRon and the Talaria Sting R. So if you've been waiting to purchase one of these, now's a good time because they're shipping fast and it's a pretty quick delivery time. Yeah, I just want to give that quick update. Now's a great time to order, and let's get back to the video.
The temperature is actually perfect right now. It's like maybe 78 degrees or something like that. Yeah, it's a little too early. There's people still out. The critters kind of don't come out until the people stop walking around. All these dogs. And this little pond right here is where I filmed the alligator, the one where I got close to it. If you guys haven't seen that, it's on my shorts. I got probably within 10 feet of it. It was right down here, hanging out on the side of the water, like basking in the sun. Usually in here you can see like there's like a shitloads of rabbits that come out, and there's like a whole bunch of bats that are flying around right at dusk. And then there's also you can see snakes crossing the sidewalk, getting from one side to the other. So you can usually get some decent footage here. These ducks flying around here. So anyways, I thought I'd bring you guys along on this little critter hunt, see if we can find anything. Ducks usually get a good amount of views. There's some swimming right there, but it's not very interesting. Ooh, what's over there? Is that a gator? What is that? Oh, it's a bird. Oh, that's a really interesting looking bird. It's kind of like a long toucan type beak on it. I don't have a good angle to record it though. Maybe we can get a close up of that bird right there. They got like cool colors on the side of them. They kind of look like 1985 Toyota 4Runners. You know, how those like kind of orange and white stripes down the side. They just have this similar color. Yeah, it's too far to capture it. I need a better phone. Still on the, what is it, like the S8 Samsung Galaxy 8. This guy's acting weird. Looks like he's giving himself a bath or something. Doing something weird. Yeah, just little stuff like that. It'll get me like, sometimes I get like 1,000 views on them, and I'll get like 1 or 2 subscribers out of that. Just that quick video. Yeah, I'm still on vacation for another week, so I'm going to try to make as many videos as I possibly can, because I know I'm going to be busy when I get back to work. Yeah, I saw an alligator in this pond too here. Yeah, and then you also get like just sometimes hundreds of toads that come out onto the to the sidewalk right after dark. So right when it gets dark, they all jump out here onto the sidewalk. There's these interesting, like really pretty black ones and green ones. I think they're frogs though, not toads. And then there's a bunch of toads that come out. Yeah, nothing going on right now. I came out too damn early. That's right, there's another spot I'm gonna go hit after this that will most likely have something. That's where I see all the deers and shit. And coyote. I saw a fucking huge coyote there one time. I kind of want to go like to downtown Houston and just ride around at night. There's always group rides down there at night. I should go to one. A lot of these ducks. These ducks I think are an invasive species here. I'm pretty sure. They're actually pretty socialized though. Look, you can get right up on them. They're over here having like some kind of meeting. Where are you going? I think the brown ones are the females and the black ones are the males maybe. Well, I don't know, that one might be a male too. Hey, if you know what those ducks are called, let me know in the comments. But there's another one right there. I mean, they're all over the damn place. If the shit hits the fan and food supply runs short, those things are gonna be gone quick, because you can just walk right on them. I could, if I had like a net, I could just throw a net on them and just take them. I can probably come up here and just gather up like 20 of them like in one day just by throwing nets on them and take them all home and eat their eggs. There's a cool looking bird down there, but I don't want to bother them. Yeah, it's starting to, you know, sun's going down now. The rabbits will probably start coming out. There's also tons and tons of rabbits around here too. Like in this other park I go to, I went there once after dark, and they just like, I saw at least 30 of them. I mean, some of them you can get pretty close to too, so they'd be pretty easy to hunt with like an air rifle or something. Not that I would, I'm just saying, in the shit hits the fan and your food supply runs dry, then I'm gonna get a little video of this bird walking. Say hey about this fucking camera, it takes forever to... Yeah, so I could just throw some music over that little video, throw it up there. Shit, I might even try just taking some videos of some fucking toads too, who cares? This bike makes me feel like how I felt when I was like 10, 11, you know, when you get really good at riding a bike, you got your mountain bike, and then you can just take off, you know, go ride around the neighborhood, explore. Motorcycles don't really give you that kind of feeling. I've had a lot of motorcycles, and I love these bikes way more than motorcycles. It just makes you feel like a kid again. You know, my kids are adults now. My daughter just graduated high school yesterday. She's got like a serious boyfriend, and they're waiting to, you know, start their lives and stuff. I'm gonna try to keep her with me as long as possible, though. Then my son's 21 now. He's, you know, got a career. He's a software tester at a good-sized company. You know, so now I'm, you know, getting older. Been married 23 years. I have a good marriage, but, you know, she's got her hobbies, and, you know, I got my hobbies, so it's just nice to have something like this to get out and go fuck around and stuff, feel young again. It's pretty nice. I mean, if you haven't bought one of these yet, well, first, wait for me to get my other bike. Well, I don't know, if you want a SurRon, you don't care about, you know, the higher capacity batteries or going faster, then SurRon's perfect. But I ordered a bike that I'm gonna be selling, if as long as it's good. I'm pretty sure it is, because I've seen a few reviews on it, but I want to go over it thoroughly myself and do my own videos before I post it for sale. But that dude's not joking. He's not getting hit by anything. I found another one today, another bike. It looks pretty sweet. A lot of the manufacturers, you know, they won't even talk to you unless you're, you know, a big distributor. But I try them anyways. Just reach out to them, let them know I'm interested in the bike. You know, see what their sample policy. Sometimes they'll send you a free sample. And I had one company almost send me a free can sample, but then they didn't. And then they decided not to let me sell their bikes at all, and they just kind of stopped talking to me. But anyways, I should have this bike in a couple months here. Hopefully within like a few weeks, but we'll see. Yeah, this is what time I wanted to get here, right about here. This is when stuff starts coming out. Saw that rabbit back there. There'll be a ton more rabbits. There'll be a lot of frogs, and hopefully see some snakes. I've actually been seeing a lot of water moccasins. More than anything else, I think I've seen more water moccasins than even like garter snakes. Yeah, people don't really trip here. There's not a lot of Karens in Texas, I don't think. Not that I've encountered so far. If I was still in Seattle and I was riding this like in a park, I would get all kinds of fucking snarky ass comments. Let's go to a different spot. Curious how this GoPro does at night. Yeah, this is like the perfect time to come out here. It's usually deer. Yeah, there's a cement circle. I'm gonna go around there, and then I'm gonna come back, and I'm gonna hit this off-road trail over here. Yeah, if there's people still walking that path over there, the deer might not be out yet. Yeah, they're either over here or they're back over there. Hopefully we see some snakes. Damn. Just kind of a dud. Oh shit, rabbit scared the fuck out of me. You know, I don't really... What's that over there? Yeah, there's a deer right there. There's a deer. It's too friggin' dark to see it though. Damn it. I'm not gonna be able to catch it on camera. But yeah, there's a... Is that deer or fucking coyote? Yeah, I think it's a deer. Shit, I should have went over there first. Alright, yeah, I should have hit that off. Well, I know where they're at then. I'm gonna go over there and see if I can catch them from the other side. Sparrows. See sparrows running around, flying around. The frogs are probably coming out now. I think, see that rabbit right there? See these deer? See them? There's 4 of them. Yeah, there's 4 of them. I'm gonna go head back this way and come up and see if I can catch them from the other side. First, while I saw those deers, I also saw something out of the corner of my eye over here. There was something on the sidewalk. I think it was either a toad or a snake or something, but it's gone. Yeah, okay, so they're all over there now. There's multiple deers over there, so let's go cut them off. Rabbits. Here, let's put this light up so I can catch them better. They're over here somewhere. Oh, let's run over that rabbit right there. I might have went out into this area over here. Sometimes they come over here. Nah, they're probably all hiding in the fucking woods. Shit. I know of another spot. There's just like a bunch of frogs and snakes and shit. I'll go there. It's on the way to my house. That one looks like it might stay still. Let me get a video of that one. Just out on a SurRon ride, and I came upon this guy. Little toad here. They're actually everywhere. Pretty cute little toads. There's another one right here. Almost ran over him. You see him? There's another one. There's another toad right there. Another one coming up on us right there. He's like, fuck you, you go around me, homeboy. There's another one right here. There's two of them right here. Oh, jeez, almost killed that one. Alright, I think that's gonna do it for tonight. Hit that subscribe button, please. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.